In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable dark mode on eBay. So first of all, open the eBay application. You can see over here, eBay has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to enable the dark mode, tap on this option, My eBay, that you can see at bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your eBay interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down to the bottom. At last, you'll be able to find this option for settings. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. What you have to do is simply scroll down. Under the section for general, at first you'll be able to find this option for theme. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to select the theme. What you have to do is tap on this option dark that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here dark mode has been enabled. Or instead of doing that, you can also tap on this option system default. After you do that, what you have to do is enable the dark mode in your device. After that, you can see over here the dark theme will be enabled in eBay. So that is how you enable dark mode on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.